Hi everyone, I am Rajesh Kumar. I am having close to 16 plus years of experience in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. I have worked with more than 12 software organizations around the globe. I would like to introduce you all a DevOps School's flagship certification program in DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. This program will get started in the weekends, so get enrolled. Please contact us on the phone number given on the screen, and in fact you can email us on the contact@DevOpsSchool.com.
Study, but for time being, don't get into that. Understand that if someone will ask you agile, simple say, hey, software development is taking time in 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks max, and we develop few features and we deliver it and then move on. And the structure of agile team, I'll show you this. So here what we did, we had a development team isolated, QA team isolated, and operations team isolated. What we did in agile, here development team and QA team, we put it together, and then operations here we got agile, operations we got separate. The same thing we extended in DevOps. Here now we are doing DevOps. Okay, so in that what we did, everything put it up together, correct? No, correct? No? So this is something which we are doing. So here, this project, whether you use Agile and Kanban, is a model for Agile. So I would suggest you some reading, pre-reading at a high level. Don't get into the depth; it will not be useful. So just understand this. So these are the different practices are there. Kanban, little different practice. You have a board for that. In Kanban, you have a board. In a Scrum, we have a board also, backlog also, and roadmap also. And this bug tracking is the oldest one. This template is the waterfall model. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll start with the bug tracking and then get into the Scrum. Will that be okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So click on the bug tracking, and what is the project name? Project X created. So I created one project, Project X. Now, do you want some integrations to be placed with Jira? For example, you want Slake, you want TeamCity, you want anything. So this you can do later also. It's not something which you have to do just now and skip it. Now, you want to invite your team? I don't. And so this is the UI. You know, if you install the desktop version, you will also see something like this. So I'll teach you the workflow. So first of all, someone will assign a ticket to me. Okay, this project, this is the bug, improvement, task, new feature, epic. What is the issues? DevOpsSchool.com is not working. Now, here you have a component. So this project, are you having multiple component? So right now, none. So cancel this. And one more thing I'll show you. Here you have to specify fixed version. So project X, do you have a multiple version? Decide. Cancel this. Discard. Let's go to the project. And here I will write a component. So project X has a chat component. Project, this will be done by manager, okay? Chat component and what? Mail component. And then we have front end. They have a back end. These are the multiple components we have. Now you have to decide the release also. So click on the release here. Which version? So release 1.0, you have a plan, and date also you can set it up. You can set it up the date also. So save it. New release 2.0, and some dates I'm putting, not calculating too much. Okay, so these are the two release. Now go back to the here, select this is the project, this is the issue type, bug, and DevOps skill. DevOps tool is not working. This is the bug. Okay, and where is this bug? So it's in backend, front end, what exactly? And describe these bugs in detail. Reporter, which version you are trying to fix this, priority, labels, all these thing, environment, OS, browser, in everything, attachment, due date it should be fixed by this and assigned to someone, and then create. So now I will go to, I'm acting like my engineers now. I'll go to assign to me task and see this is the task. Okay, I'm working on it. So here there's a flow, workflow. So it's a to do in progress. In progress, you can do a lot of things. You can read the description, you can comment, you can see, I'm working on it. Anything you can say here. You can team, we can chat, and all this thing will done. So now review and done. So work is completed. So now do I have anything? No. So this is the workflow. Someone will create a ticket or you will create your own ticket for self, and then you'll start working on it. Simple. Are you understanding, all of you?
Okay.
All of you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll create one more ticket now. So here,
Hello.
DevOps
Hello.
is,
Hello. Hello, Raj, please.
yeah, tell me.
Question. So the ticket, who is creating the ticket?
Anyone who's a part of your team. You can create your tickets if you are working
So
in
I'll
IC
create the
role.
ticket if I'm having an issue, right?
It can be anything. What kind of, it can be epic, it can be feature, it can be task, it can be improvement, it can be
Okay.
bug types of.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so
Who will be
anyone,
the one to create the project? There will be a
manager,
team lead, right? The
manager,
manager.
your
Okay.
manager, yeah.
Okay. All right.
So this will be there. Any project which you join, you'll be onboarded with a Jira, and then when you are
Okay.
working,
All the stakeholders will be involved.
yeah, it's for the project manager.
So project management, basically.
Okay, so now this is one more ticket I'm creating just for the sake of, and see here. So, this tool now, if you can do what? You can search the issues. So advanced view filter, you see here. And there's no filter right now. Advanced search. See here. The moment you read this, you'll understand that this is for the entire project of your. So 2 tickets overall, my open issues, reported by me, all issues, open issues, done issues, view, blah, blah, blah. Nothing great. Here you have all the team members. You can invite a team and create a team. So within a project, you can have a multiple team also, like dev team, and invite people, QA team, invite people. So here you have a team also, and you can work on it. Now here you can also create a dashboard, view all dashboards. So few dashboards will be default. So here this one, and this is the default dashboard. Okay, so this is the default dashboard for each user. You can have a multiple dashboard created,
Okay.
and recent board and stuff like that. Here you can add a create a mode project if you have access. I have a root access. I can do anything. Okay, so this is the way here you will work, and this is the website. This website and the one which is hosted at your enterprise will have a little UI issue, different issue. Okay, and so on. So this is how you keep working. Every day you come, take your ticket, take your work, check your work, start working on it. So your manager wants to know the status of it. He will get to know from here only.
So basically, the whole team communicates through this Jira tool.
Yes, that's correct. Every team, they connect, plan, prioritize, assign the work, task, feature, or any activities, but not through verbal or not through email, but through Jira. Make sense?
Jira. Yes.
So that way you can track who's doing what.
Yes. Yeah. 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 That's true.
Okay, so guys, this is a very simple and easy to do. Then what is a work here actually? So work here, you will get it, let's say if you are at managerial level and stuff like that, then you will get some time opportunity to optimize it, the project. For example, one of the incident which I'm putting up here, let's say there is a create issues, and in the issue type, you have a bug, improvement, task, new feature, and epic. But let's say you want something else, one more option. What should be one more option? Any suggestion from you?
New feature.
New feature is there already. Task is there, bug is there, in improvement is there. Any one more extra? Anyone?
New feature.
Are we missing the story?
Story. Story will be there, but it's not enabled actually. Why? Because I created bug tracking project type, no? So that's the reason. So
Okay.
yeah. So let's do that story. Yeah. So how do we customize this? So that's might be work actually for you, but yeah, you should be comfortable with it. So let's go for project, and in the project we have a project setting here. So many options will be there. Okay, but I have come for issues.
What is the difference
And
between the project setting and, you know, on the top right we have settings, right? Are they different? Top right.
yes. So remember that this is a site. DevOps school.atlassian and all is a site. So site means organization, means let's say Mindtree or Accenture. Accenture is a large organization. So here it will be Accenture dot this one. Inside that you will create a multiple project. So now if you want to set something at the org level, then go to this place. Okay, org level. Okay. If you want to do it only at the project level, then come to the project setting. So most of the people, maybe some of you will be a manager positions, not at the org level. Okay, so depends where you want. You want to apply something on the every project, then modify this site admin settings. This is the site admin setting and all this thing. If you want to modify the project level, you can modify the project. Make sense?
Yes, yeah, thanks.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm modifying at the project level. So what I want to add some fields in the types. So these are the types are there, okay, in my project. So can I add one more type? So here, this UI is little different for me also. So let's go for issue types. And here you have to click on the issue types, and let's go for add issue type. Now what we decided, story, right?
Story.
Story. Describe. This is the one type, issue type. Added it. Now just by adding it, you will not get assigned to project. So what to do? So here, you have to go to the schemes, and where is your project? My project is this one. So project X. So here story is not there. So click
Story is
here,
up.
edit, and here drag it.
Story.
That's all. Little bit. I mean, first time you have to, because most of the time I work in the hosted environment. This is the cloud environment. I don't work actually. So for my organizations. So this is done. Now I'll go back to my view all projects, project X, and create a ticket, and here story. So this is the way you can customize. Now someone say, hey, we need to add one more field here. What field here? Let's say country. So country is not added. So I always add country field just to showcase how to add more fields. So what to do? So you want to do at the project level? Yes. So go to the project, go to the project setting, and do you see filled? Here it is. Correct. So how many fields we have? These are the fields we have.
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.